This is a train song. It's called LocoMotive. And that's what it's called. I wrote the main part of it. That part. And it's dedicated to Joe Allen. 9 years ago. Sheesh. Because he taught me those chords back in Springfield, Illinois. 9 years ago. Sheesh. I completely forgot that I even wrote the song. I was looking for another song a couple of weeks ago, and I found this one. I had forgotten. I never did find the song I was looking for, but that's life. So this one's called LocoMotive, and it's about a train that I was riding on, going out to Portland, where I was visiting children and grandchildren. A couple of them lived very close to 82nd Street in Portland, which is a really interesting street. And 82nd Avenue, technically speaking. And it can also be about a locomotive, which you could say means crazy reason, because it's kind of about how we have crazy reasons for the things we do or don't do, the things we believe or don't believe. And that's what it's about. There you go. If I keep on waiting long enough, the dawn of day will call. If I keep on wishing strong enough, good things will come to all. 'Cause every person has a story, and every story has an end. Life goes on out there on 82nd Street. That's for sure, my friend. If I keep on riding long enough, I'm bound to get somewhere. If I keep on singing strong enough, some truth will float up in the air. But words and music cannot tell you how much joy is mine. So locomotive, blow your whistle and move this train on down the line. Some kind of ending there, I guess.